Is your garage door making strange noises, not opening properly, or stuck halfway? If you're in Houston, Texas, you're not alone, and you're in the right place. A garage door is one of the most used parts of your home, and when it stops working, it can quickly become a safety and security issue. Broken springs, worn cables, damaged panels, or malfunctioning openers are common problems. And ignoring them can lead to bigger and more expensive repairs. At 𝐬𝐮 Garage Door Repair, we specialize in fast, reliable, and affordable garage door repairs across Houston and surrounding areas. Our experienced technicians are fully trained to handle everything from emergency repairs to full door replacements. Always using high-quality parts and professional tools. We pride ourselves on honest pricing, same-day service, and customer satisfaction. Your safety and convenience are our top priorities, and we make sure the job is done right the first time. So if your garage door needs repair, maintenance, or an upgrade, don't wait. Contact 𝐬𝐮 Garage Door Repair today, and let our Houston experts take care of it for you. Call us now or visit our website to schedule your service. 𝐬𝐮 Garage Door Repair. Reliable service you can trust.